uchun did I ask you bo'ladi. Chunki did you bo'lganda did you ask me bo'lishi kerak. O'shaning uchun ham bu yerda did I ask you bo'ladi. Hop, are you angry with me?
Nice.
Seni mendan jahling chiqqanmi deyapti. Keyingisi the other is with.
You rock.
Yaxshi. Boshqasi jonsiz deyapti. Hop, Monday sounds good for the meeting.
You are improving.
Dushanba kuni uchrashuv uchun yaxshi. What did he ask you?
Good job.
Yaxshi. Va oxirgi gapimizni to'g'rilab kommentariyada yozib qoldiringlar.